All right, ladies and gentlemen, Xandu, Vaughn Proof and Pudding here, Protection Dog Sales. Impulse control is our jam. We absolutely love to work with these guys on building their confidence. Obviously, fantastic obedience and super strong protection. But controlling their impulse is the ultimate goal for us, as they are safe, loyal protection companions in the home. And so we're going to do a little bark and hold work with Xandu. He is 6.5 months of age, barely got his adult teeth in, but loves to do this kind of work. You can see we got a really nice focus. Once we turn him on, we're going to just focus ourselves on the bite work here. Good. Hey, what's up, big guy? Oh, big bark. Yeah, big bark. So he learns the bigger his bark, the more work he gets me to do going backwards here. Good. Once I'm cornered, it's all about restraint. Good. Good. Say bark. Good. Good. Hey. Good. As soon as we get a little bit of control there, boom. Hey. I give him the reward of the bite. So again, pretty young to be doing that kind of work. That's one of the reasons he's awesome. Good. Hey. Hey. Good. Good. Like that pursuit power he's got right there. He's at the end of the leash with a lot of commitment. Good. Bark. Wait for me. Wait for me. Bark. Good. Bark. Yeah, there we go. Took him a second to puzzle it out, but he got it. Good. Good. Nice. Good. Give me a little tension there. Good. Good. Oh, very nice. All right, so we did 2 little bargain holds. Just to train him, obviously. Now we're going to just let him have a little hit. Got to bark strong first, though. Yes. Good. Oh, good job. All right, Daniel. Round this critter up. So guys, Xandu, again, 6.5 months of age. He's a baby, but he's a baby on a mission to become awesome.